calling Miss Jen?
No, he called her.
Oh, he called?
Yeah.
Because I know she was calling you and you didn't answer.
She called.
But she is on live right now saying that you're calling her.
Who?
Yeah, saying that you're calling her right now.
I will show you. She fucking called me. You see what
Yeah, I saw when she was calling you.
That woman is a Judas. A two-faced woman. Good. I don't make some problem with it. Because she talking to you and then she talking to somebody. If she talking to him that night, I don't agree with this Judas back and forth.
Chill.
Oh, Miss Chill.
One chill.
I
said it's animal fears, y'all.
It's what you talking to. Miss Chill.
Can I talk to Miss Triple?
Oh, I don't want Miss Triple Park come and safe because this was a whole recording of the moving situation, and I spoke with Miss Triple, and Miss Triple come on live and bring me down to the field. So I'm gonna pause and hold up on Miss Triple Park. I'm gonna reach Miss Triple Park yet. But to the sister, this lady did all of those stuff, and that's the reason why the landlord started to watch Tikki's TikTok, because of this lady sending the landlord videos of Tikki behavior on the internet, and all along you guys think as if I am the one that is working against Tikki. I am the one that wants Tikki's out, and me I the one that wanted this, and me I the one that had to do this to the landlord and bring back stuff for the landlord. When Dutch is thinking Chin, who I paid in full of her fee, that leaked and sent my address to Destiny, and I can't even blame Destiny that much. The reason being because Destiny and what's your name, and Tikki is not friend. And if we all know Destiny personality. Destiny, if anybody that address she can get, she's gonna get it and bring it out. But yes, Destiny was still wrong, but I saw it go same way. So when y'all sit around in boxes and say that I am the one that is talking against, I'm the one that is talking against the landlord with about Tikki and stuff. As you can see, I showed my convo. If it doesn't come, then I'll re-show it. Catch it next year up on the For You page. Yes, the realtor's Shane. She is the one that is doing all of this, and then you want to go ahead and go in a box and act like if I'm a bad person or I'm this. Like, come on, girl. Come on, Miss Chin. Come on, Miss Chin. You never know I was waiting for the right day. I wanted for a day so I can't hold in nothing else for just come and just bust everything up. You come and you drive and come pick up Tikki and you videoed it and send back to the landlord because you wanted to be a nice person. You want the landlord to give you back those 3 listings. I made sure of it that you will not get a listing from that lady. Okay? And then you are going to want to come help out Tikki again and stuff, so you can use it act as if you're this nice person when you're stabbing Tikki in the back. But the internet believe that I am the one that's doing the backstabbing. I'm going to sit down, I'm going to address it. May I address it now? That tick off of the list. Let's move on to the next situation now. What do I have next on the list? We can't believe Juna get it from me and stuff. Drinks. Okay. I saw a recording also of Rosalie, and Tikki also brought it as well. The one named Drinks. I'm gonna go back to the move out there now, because I'm not ready to talk about the Miss Triple part yet. Can I take a lead from the drinks? Cute? No, the drinks. Tikki get up and Tikki play match in the morning, and she know she hustle and get her cash up. Cute. She get her cash up and stuff. She asked me if say she lost her cash up card. She said what I gave to her, she lost her cash up card and said I borrow your card for go buy the food. I'm gonna cash up about the money. Receipt card. Like, yeah, you know, see them name. All of my stuffs are named. I came prepared. So I give her, I say, Tiki, when I go in the place, buy me one donut as well. Tiki come out and Tiki never buy me the donut. I have a my card, you know. I have a my card, she never buy me the donut. It never been a problem. One of my supporters sent me, I think, $50, and because Juna is helping us to drive, come down here and we're not paying him. So I said, all right, let's go to 7-Eleven and get something for me and you to eat. Cute. We went there. I didn't buy any food. I buy a, what's it called? I'm going to buy 7-Eleven. I buy one beer and a Red Bull, 2 juice. You take the shower curtain, Trev. What shower curtain? Me get a Red Bull and a beer. I'm not gonna eat nothing. But me know that I have to take the stuff out the truck and go and bring them upstairs and stuff. So me in the back of the truck now, I'm gonna take a rest, I'm gonna take a break. So I say, all right, I'm gonna go in there for my drinks. I'm gonna go in there for my drinks. My Red Bull done. And my beer open. No, I just want to start the problem. my Red Bull finish and my beer open. Listen, watch ya. And I was upset, and I think I was on sub live or regular live or something, and I said, that's time I can't like you. And then I text her and tell her, I said, Junior's going back to New York. Why you not go back to New York with Junior? I called Junior go back to New York Sunday. It was sub live, okay. That's what I said because I was upset. I said, Junior, go back to New York Sunday, go back with him. You're going to go on live Tiki and use it against me. And know the fact that I was upset. Even after the moving day, Tiki and I was perfect. There was no problem between me and Tiki in the house until I pull off Tiki here. So if me to tell you to go home, why me and you was still cool and okay in the house? Because you know you never mean it. And I have the proof and the recording of you telling your friend that you never mean it. That you know something I mean it, but they get the opportunity to use it against me, so you do it. So let me play that one right now as well. Now go down in line. What I want to name? Drinks. Let's play drinks.
One beer or one Red Bull. And you know me slice for that have me around the choke back. I know the choke. 5. You buy 2 drinks, I know some spiteful.
You hear that? You know some spiteful. You are spiting me for drinking the 2 juice. You are spiting me to drinking 2 juice. I'm going to start it back over and then roll it straight. But they're going to come on live and act as if me tell you and stuff, some if you go back on New York and stuff, just because I was upset and I said it to you because you know what you have done. I'm going to play the wallet, but I just want to replay it back when you say she's spiteful. But every time Tiki got an opportunity to come on here and play victim as I'm this bad person, I'm manipulating her and those stuff, she do it. And I sit down with all of this throughout everything. I was preparing for the right time. And today is the right time. Let's start it back over and play it in full. Miss Sheila came with her evidence today.
One beer or one Red Bull. And you know me slice for that have me around the choke back. I know the choke. 5. You buy 2 drinks, I know some spiteful. But in there on the chop back, I'm there on the chop front. On the chop front, I'm on the chop back, I know the chop back, I want to go into the thing. But you know me spiteful at home. You know me spiteful at home with time. So when you get on the chop back now, you know I'm talking to me, I'm ignorant. So we say, watch on them before we get there. So we go on the front.
You hear that what I'm saying? The part of the low because she didn't move far from me. I never want to go too close to us and record her. Right? I'm going to replay the part a little bit.
So we go on the front and see 2 juice then. So we put the Red Bull and drink the Red Bull. Anyway, you get in the sun and the sun out. I'm just in the beer and just bust the beer because I start drinking. But see the beer don't taste like a fluid beer. So we put it up there and over and drinking it and the taste and don't like it. I saw it go. So you come and you say when you put the 2 juice there. I put it in the one thing and it's so unfair. What you mean by that? Look at that.
Must stop. I'm a leaver. What were you recording? Because exactly what Tikki said over there, when me tell her, or me eat her, or whatever, or me this, did you believe it, right? Did you not, right? Did you not believe, right? Did you not believe what Tikki said? So if I never have this, did you not think, would it be those? Me, I've already said it on live before that I don't trust Tikki. I said it publicly on live. Because I know what Tikki was doing to me. I know, and I sit down through it all and take all the blame on everything. And exactly what I know she was going to do, because I said it to her, she went ahead and would tell everybody upon her life where 4,000 odd people say, we tell her me yet I'm this, I'm that, I'm rated. Man, I rate as a black community, but if it's in my class, to make them class, because they all need to hear. And about a youth and a black, sit down and rest on the fingers. Sit down and rest on the fingers. To the rest day on the day off. And when they get paid. So just chill. All let them hate me, make them tell me say I lie me I tell. Who have sense will know what's going on. Okay. Cute. So drinks done, because that's the reason why I told Tikki, I said, I can't like you and stuff, because this is what she do on purpose. Go back to New York, with Junior Sunday, because Junior leave. Me the upset, you get up and you buy your egg sandwich and so in the morning, and you eat your food and everything, and you upon your life and enjoy yourself, and so me I lift up bags and carry them upstairs and the things them, and me buy one beer and me buy one Red Bull. Are you gonna drink the two of them? You would not even considerate of even leaving one for me. And here where you gonna tell a friend, oh, the beer don't even taste like my beer. What we drink at Jamaica? I fuck you two blood clot enough you can go drink beer. I buy beer for you? I buy beer for you? Huh? But the beer don't taste like the beer when I buy at Jamaica. Did I buy any beer for you? Huh? What is Tikki talking about? Boyfriend, HIV test. So I clear the drink spot. I clear the part with me working against Tikki. Oh, back into the first part. I must have been play the full move out there, you know. I don't play the full move out there at all now. So let's go back into the full move out there. Call. Now, you people over there on multiple different live. Multiple different live. Mr. People are talking about, oh, me know the landlord gonna call my landlord gonna put out Tikki and rate it and cast this and cast that. No, another benefit play. If you play the 1 hour one now. I'm sorry guys, I went in 1 hour now. Jesus Christ. The day of me moving out when she and Triple was on live. Remember when she and Triple was on live? Tikki and I spoke in the morning. Tikki and I spoke in the same morning on the phone for 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour. And Tikki pretend as if she was not aware of me moving. And this and that. When she asked and begged me that, well, she never begged me. She was asking me to stay. Let me not gonna lie upon her. She asked me. She never begged me. I'm gonna tell her no. I've already paid my 1,200 and everything. I'm not giving the money back. I'm gonna know about pastor for returning no you all truck or whatever situation is. You're not gonna pay me as a victim. In the 1 hour recording, I was on Emily Box when Blue, I think her name was Blue, was asking me about the U-Haul something. Rosalie came in the box. Rosalie came in the box and said, as she did want to do it. And if anything Rosalie have done or said, she would have nailed right on the head. I told Tikki to go and take the Greyhound bus. She want to come. I don't know why she want to come. But okay, cool, she want to come with us. Fine. She want to come so much that she offered herself to pay half off on gas. Somebody give you half. You're not going to take it? They're going to tell me, oh, I should not have taken it. Am I dummy not to take the offer? Am I a fool not to take the offer? Somebody really want to come with you. We come and I tell, oh, much should I take the grey on? Much should I take this? Much should I take that? Much should I take this? Much should I take that? And you give me an offer. Of course, I'm not going to refuse it. And then you are going to come to me. They're going to come, oh, money come out of your account. Ma'am, I have to return the U-Haul truck full. I have to return the U-Haul truck full. That's the policy. Whatever gas, if you get to the half tank, you return it to half tank. We got that had full tank, so I have to pay the money together because we split the gas back for the full tank. Let's go for that. Recording. I want our guys get your popcorn because I want to leave the mistrip apart because y'all saying me never tell Tikki this or tell Tikki that and stuff like that. And after me and Tikki talk in the morning, me and Tikki talking on the morning on the phone and she know me I leave. She called her landlord on the live. She called the landlord on the live and the landlord confirmed. What happened? What was said? Let me check on too far. The landlord confirmed with her that yes, she can stay 30 more days. The recording is out there that she can stay 30 more days. She said she asked the landlord from public live. And the landlord confirmed with her. That's why Tikki was not doing no packing or nothing because she got a confirmation from the landlord. I told her to call the landlord. I mean, no, it's alive. So let's go into the 1 hour something. I'll go to the people and one person who send it to. You like have to say that. So this is after when Una put her up at the hotel for the night, and she come back in the morning. Obviously, she don't want to go nowhere, so she come back. So while landlord grabbed her phone while she was online, we don't reach the part there yet. This come first before the landlord got there. Popcorns, I want all that over. I'm supposed to go at 7 o'clock, but now, but I got no way.
Trev.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Huh?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes. I know the 2 weeks. Now when I didn't matter what happened. Tell me first before I believe I go further now. Really long time family, my friend coming on until now you don't want accountability for nothing. But now, not the matter.
I'm sorry. You want to put it closer?
No, not the matter with the 2 hours, now the 2 of us is wrong. Me wrong. Why? Because you give me an action and I give you a dirty reaction. And we really get out of character and do things where we shouldn't do. I allow anger to get the best of me and ignorance. Which in where I am very, 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 very sorry. I go reach out. I go reach out to Shape. I go reach out to your mother. And I go handle at the birthday. You know, Trev. You know, wish nothing but for you to be honest. I love you like first time, but I still have feelings towards you. I don't want nothing with you, and I don't want to communicate with you like that. But I do not want to leave the house and waste any money now again. Because money it I will take and waste money as something bad for you that I don't want anything bad for you. If we in the house, Trev, and you have you will say me loud. You know me only loud when I'm arguing. Can't know me don't loud.
But I should call my phone. Don't call my phone. I'm going to block it temporary.
I'm going to tell Shana. If you in the house.
I'm going to block it temporary. No, I play my voice now because nobody, I'm tired. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of it and the media, I believe, are. So the people that don't even know what's going on behind the scenes. Oh, the black button go up on this. Block. Yeah, I don't care. Cause you tell me she not come talk about me no more, and she still come and talk about me. All I block for now, I don't come up and no other number. After this, I'll unblock you.
And we have an argument over the media. You can be the bigger person as well, Trev. And if you don't give me, you realize if you don't give me problem, you realize me try every way to kill out the argument. If you try to build up your back, me never try to build up your back, none at all. If you the host, Trev, and you the writer, so Trev, and this argument up now, you know me know the media, and you know me know everything. It can dead easily if me take it in a control. One, everybody are going to use it to content on their life. Two, everybody are going to make a lot of video. And you mostly they are going to bash. You can do it right now. I can let you go on the media, rank, and you can go play a game, and me don't go on the 2-3 there until it flop out. Or me go on there and you don't go on there. So, if you, Trev, you shouldn't let the people them get what they want. They said they were going to give us 2 months, 6 months, 1 year, 1 week, 1 month. If you throw me out, it's not been even a week, Trev. And they come like, I know that it is the devil. Because this is not normal. Some of you was Trev, but you should have fight it. You should have fight it back, Trev. Fight it back. Fight back the enemy. The plans of the enemy. And only pattern the plans of the enemy want see the worst of me. And me tell up how me fight back. I will fight back. I will fight back. People have said to me, say, yeah, one of the strongest little boy I ever see.
I'm gonna pause this. I'm gonna pause this. Somebody that says so no Tikki and manipulate this, so I have to pause it a while ago. I had to pause that just now to rotate. So you want to give me 40 days and 40 nights when I apologize to you, and then me now make a decision on leaving the house, and you're gonna tell me it's the devil is doing it. You're gonna tell me, oh, it's the devil that is doing it. Huh? You tell me, you know? You're telling me I should fight it. So I should sit down with it every single day and fight it because it's the devil.
Over you, Trev. I understand everything what you say, Trev. Me can't the writer, so Trev. Me not hate you. Me and you can't talk. Me and you not have that relationship or communicate the way how we used to communicate. I can still use your pot and your cup and wash up them after I finish. Or me can buy my own. If you feel like we can share the same space, and everything else, you're by your life, I'm by my life, I'm too loud. You can't text my phone and you can't say, Tiki, cool down a little bit, please. And you can't come to my door and say, you can't cool down a little bit, please. We don't share bathroom where it's made wet up in the bathroom. You say, go disturb me, I must clean up in the bathroom. Me not feel it. Me feel hurt last night when me see you leave. Not only say me only miss you a little bit, of course, because I help them with a lot of things. And not true people know I go tell me, say them will help me out and me get people to help me out. Because they will tell us about they're not going to. If the patient where you will have with me, they won't have it with me. You see, one thing with me, Shine, I always start the truth.
That's why you're not supposed to come out and disrespect Trev. You see what you're talking now? Trev patient with you. So
let me talk. You see, if there's no Trev, and you finish the house, not only say me I go miss if you say me alone I go there, or if you say me I go leave as well, and half me dead and Kobe fat. But for waste me with Trev, look into me and say, because you're ignorant, me ignorant, but you're ignorant more than me, you know. It's when me ignorant, we swallow up and we open my mouth. It's when you're ignorant, you try to prove it with action. And you do not want to hit me and the media bash.
I guess I'm repeating questions are coming in that when was this? Yesterday morning.
Bash you. Because enough time you would have to harass me about the media go bash you because you're very ignorant. You're ignorant, man. So you try to prove it with action. Because last time I see you back, hear me coach Trev fool. You better Trev they tell me say Tiki and they like why about so far and this and that. And the least.
Yeah, look how Trev fool. Huh? I think I was fool.
The easy to think, Trev, you talk about this, Trev. You cannot allow the media to get the best of you like Big One and O'Neal them. Everything you run, go click on the media. Why would I walk wide and get big position in a promotion? Why would I walk wide and do this and do that? You know, say for the little for the person action for the cash up, and no change to send them the cash up must send them back the money everything they can before you put the person picture. Me ask the person you can send them the cash up, they say no. Because she don't want to use that against me. Anyway, me don't care. Me take the person the cash up and no, me don't have a reply. Why? She come pick up me, she want to pretend like she's a good person because Trev they put me out there, Trev they this, Trev they beat me and he come pick me up. Me have sense, listen to me. Shana, me do the media, Trev know me know the media. I would get big folk. Me said to me, even take Trev and take the Trev that in private. Why would I want?
Yeah, what you say? I'm me with the media. And we get big fuck. So when I showed the message when I was on the screen with Ivani, when she texted me and said she did have to leave because the media would cancel her. So all along, Dubai White, Trev should not be playing this. And all along, when you guys just think that I am this bad and this awful person and stuff, I want to get up a road narrative every single day. When given time, am I going to have my chance to speak? I've already came out and and nobody have yet to say, okay, Trev this, Trev that. So I did not play this voice note. I did not play none of this, and this have already happened. Right? And none of y'all said Trev, but no, I'm wicked and I'm evil and stuff. And you guys, it not done it a 1 hour call. And I don't care who else I was on the phone call. I don't business. I don't care. At this point, I don't business and I don't care.
Go ahead and do chin that. When you tell me about that, you know, I pick my skin. When me tell about chin, meanwhile, what happen? So I'm going to make me say, all right, then watch ya. You just don't know this fact. Me and you go shop there, you go tell me, say, me and you are my friend, and this and that for hurt my feelings. Me come in, me know me, I go tell you about for hurt my feelings. Me tell you, say, me I go give chin the promotion. But you never wait until me come, if chin come in at the house, and me and chin do the promotion, you go click your live. But you never wait until I see me a video and the promotion for chin. You go click your live and wait until me do it, then you go click your life. As I come in and I say, Trev, you be like, no, this can't happen now, I'm leaving. I'm Tikki, why you going to do that? Trev, enough time, I say, me I going to do things I'm going to do. Trev, me don't hate you. Trev, me is not a nice person. Just because of you. Trev, me is not a nice person. Trev, me we all put shit on me, we are taxi on you. I just truly love you, bro. I'm trying to put me heart sympathy to you. And last night, Trev, this is America. If me show the police them that the video they can lock up you. I show me love you. The police them come the first time I tell them say nothing like that. The second time when me left what I do, they see me with the bag. Me tell them let's be honest with me. There's argument. Me say yes, we're playing, but now we get into a small argument that we just arguing, no fighting. But I mean the bigger person, and I'm leaving going to Fort Lauderdale, go and stay by my sister for a week or a 4 or 5 day until it's argument squash and cool down, Trev. Me don't hate you last night when they come again. You see them have an argument with me again. Me say no. Me don't want the worst you, but I want the best you. You know that. You must stop pretending like Tikki you are the best worst you. I understand me talk with people where you are the man of friend. I understand me talk with people where you know who don't want me to. I know like I say you don't want me to talk to them, but when you sit there and cheat me, and when you sit there and deal with me, and when you sit there and angle me, you couldn't believe me talk back to them and you don't want me to talk back to them because you know so they can't be team. But you're not looking at it and say, I wonder if Tikki stick everything I know everything. Because when they come now go talk, all because they didn't all want to mash up. Because they see with greatness, they see the two we progress together, we are going to tear down a mountain in a week or a month or a hand. If me and you relax 1 or 2 months, you see, Trev, I say, all right, then we will be a business partner or a friend partner or a relationship partner. Me, I tell you, what can come out of it because I know me. And me have sense stirred the way when me know I understand you feel hurt because you will see me talk back to them because the way how you see them do me. But why me talk back to them? Because what happened now with me are you big say tomorrow or when this big say tomorrow or later. When me mean tomorrow or later, I don't mean definitely tomorrow or later. Maybe next week, next 2 weeks, next year, next series, next 10 years. You will see me having this conversation live with this with them person again. But me actually if it hurt you, Trev, because you do things out of the way if it hurt me too.
I understand. Earth people do earth things.
And when the earth said, me really do everything, Trev. If me never care about you, I would reach out to yesterday. I text her and said, I find out if Trev is okay. Because I know you say you're not okay after the series happen. I know say you're going to feel that way. Me come, I'm try to talk on the veranda if you see if you hear my voice. Me bend down, me look by you under the blinds. I say, Trev, you're okay. Me come, and me ask Auntie Chan if you're good. And me say, Shana, find out if Trev okay for me. Trev, when me urge, me do, you know, say, Shana, this to me last night, but I tell Shana, go suck your motherfucker off. I would have regret this morning because Shana love me. If Auntie asked her last night, Auntie Jan, me say, me I go see the iPhone 16, get Trev. I can buy iPhone 16 if I want. I have who can buy me it, and I can take out one if I want. Trev, me do not want the worst for you. Me, you spend it. Listen all your food. Check me wonder sometime I see probably to you up girly. You don't believe in a like being a man like that, but you are a man because you say you are a man and you tell me what you do and what you don't do. But you're probably up girly and that's just your personality, and personality don't have nothing to do in a sex wise or relationship or anything. But if me say me I go call a girl, you should say I go get up. And this not kind of do lick, but you let me know everything did cool and I me come back. But I hear me you go shopping and everything, you know. Although you did just tell me me I am no friend, you know. Me know if you bubble back down, you know. Me know for next 2 weeks, me take time and join till little next month until me fix up everything and me I become friend good back. And you can help me out with everything. Because you now go ask me the right so to all me and you come from and a little time. To all me and you come from and a little time, the little share towards with each other. And now go out and ask me a ball Trev, and you watch me good on my face like that. Like you now go out even send somebody to tell him so water the dear son I go chop and he so even though they tell me so, me know say you probably I just thought because you're ignorant because I did a custody the day before I allow people for your custody the day before. But you should have earlier that visit Mr. Tiki. Why you would have get a promotion afterward when she do that to it? And even when you feel like I said she did go pick up at the hotel with a winning heart, make me tell her say yes, you go pick up with a winning heart, but me know everything inside of me show me ignorant. And me did I would have real up on everything. I would have real in front of you, you know that. Me now take everything from the media. Shana know that, so me now take my personal life from the media. Media go suck him at that. This so me make my money, me not bring personality things about the Trev. Me go in your front Trev if you be here. I know some of take personal things for me. That whole part of me I keep the bucket on the media. I don't know. Whole part of me I keep the bucket and to me feel hurt and me can't go on for the media because me not going to vibe to entertain. Me tell us I take me fit, but me don't tell us you hurt my feelings. And me not bring my personality life to the media, Trev. If you did Mr. Tikki, why you not getting promotion after what she do to we and after all what she say and after all what she do and after all what she this? I would have looked into myself and me no more do that. But when mother sit down, and mother say, hey, I'm going to give this, I'm going to give that, I'm going to give until mother laugh half it. If you even come and touch my ears and play with my ears, I would have put my hand and I say, Tiki, why you would have do that? You know, if you want to put my ears and have to touch my hand, but if you even say it, I would have real up and jump up and you touch my ears and I know me would have laugh.
And then I touch your ears, I guess I'm going to lead it on. And then when I touch your ears, I guess I'm going to lead it on because I'm touching a certain kind of way and stuff. Me hear you tell your life, say, I ask Trev for one hug and Trev never give me because you same one would have come the next day and say, no, so Trev hug me up. And then you hear say, Trev is leading me on. Yeah, you come live and say, Trev, give me a hug before I'm going now. And you hear say, Trev is leading me on. That's the reason why you never get a hug. Because I'm not going to make a come and say, Trev is leading you on.
Stop now. You know me con stinking big pussy chin. You know me like that, Trev. What the bullshit said, Trev, I say I go pick your life. Trev, me teach about media every day, Trev. I say when somebody come up and say support you, the media is going to pretend like he's the bad person because then everybody will come and say one King Trev is one King Trev. Them same one I go pass Shana live, but they camp for King Trev. So yes, when they overfeel your life and you attack Trev and them put you go paint the picture like I am a bad person by giving Shana the promotion because enough people hear Shana because Shana was Shana the 20th. So of course, I'm going to say why Tiki are going to do that. The Tiki is a big cheer to your Trev. Okay, Tiki and not Trev the problem. I Tiki the problem. Why am I going to do that? I have to go ahead and get afterwards set it. Do that. I have to go ahead and get afterwards set it clear. I'm going to take to the people. They know me now. It's a going to lead now an argument till it change out worse. Me know my feelings and my hurt, Trev. Me I go answer back to you, because you go, anyway, I go check out, till you go say, you go tell me me ugly, me go tell you for the reason why me ugly, but me I go tell you how feel ugly come, and tell you how you ugly 2 times,
Yeah.
until you check out.
Hold on, chat. Wait, chat. Wait, intermission. Intermission, chat. Intermission.
As in like what?
You could trail the camera right now. Intermission. Intermission. Because the camera turned up.
9 to 5. What? Oh, your camera, but your camera is turned
No,
down.
my camera flip the other way.
Jesus Christ, Trev! Let me see mess me on.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
It did turn around.
Shut to the sinner. Keep on the display. Shut to look couldn't tell me. You know,
I didn't know what Yes, well, the towel drop. But I didn't even see that you were naked. I never see you naked for true. Come here, me watch me looking at the message on my phone.
Why him spray it? Ah! Them see for true.